The Ports Minister Michael Lobo on Tuesday said that Goans should be banned from land as well as floating casinos. He said that it was necessary as there were a lot of Goan families who have to suffer as their loved ones poured gold and sold properties to arrange money to gamble the money way. The government has issued a notification banning Goans from gambling in the floating casinos. The Chief Minister had also said that GST Commissioner has been appointed as the Gaming and Gambling Commissioner. He said that he would be framing the rules and regulations to run these casinos' watch.
My thing is simple. No Goan can be stopped from entering inside. But playing should be banned is my stand from beginning, not now.
Why only the floating casino? What about land casino?
All.
So basically you don't want Goan.
Anybody, see, in a 5-star hotel, a casino is there. Goan can enter inside. But Goan should not be allowed to play. So because it is, there is a lot of hue and cry also from our local Goan families that my son, my daughter or my father is going and gambling with the माईचे भांगर हरण गांडोल्ले आणि खूप आहात issues. So these issues needs to be solved on top of that. Middle class, upper middle class also are there who are going and gambling on a daily basis or weekly basis, which has to stop. It can be controlled very well. See, it is very simple. You show your identity. Every person has an identity card in his pocket wherever he goes. A tourist who comes will have an identity card, any identity card. So he shows the identity card, he is a tourist.